What is a LinkedIn headline and why is it important? When you first set up your LinkedIn profile, you're going to be prompted to add a headline. Now, this is going to follow you around LinkedIn, and so you need to make it eye-catching and scroll stopping. So in this short video, I'm going to share some ideas with you on how to do that. Your headline sits right underneath your name at the top of your LinkedIn profile, what we call the profile intro section. It can be up to 220 characters long, and you can add emojis. What you can't now do is add what is called display text. So that's a fancy font that you might have created elsewhere and imported. LinkedIn is no longer allowing that in our headlines, but we can have emojis, and this is a great way to break up the text. I recommend that you have a mix of short sections that include your keywords or keyword phrases, and perhaps one longer piece in the middle that is more a sentence length. It's also really important to make sure that all your keywords are in your headline where they're relevant, because that's what you're going to be found for in searches. It's no longer really best practice to put in your current job title. That's simply not enough anymore, because it is not going to stop people who are looking through a bunch of profiles on yours. So make sure that your LinkedIn profile headline includes a number of keywords. It might want to have some emojis. And my final tip for you on this is to add something that's personal. On my LinkedIn headline here, as you can see, I've added at the end that I'm a gardening fan. And why do I do this? Because it is something that if others are also gardeners, that they will spot, they'll comment on, and it is a point of synchronicity or synergy between other people and me. You'd be really surprised by the number of people who say, hey, I'm a gardening fan too. What kind of gardening do you do? So make sure your LinkedIn headline is well thought through. You can change it as often as you like. Make sure it includes your keywords and also those things or one thing about you that is personal. If you do all of that, then your headline is going to stand out from all the others around it.